You know, life can kick you in the cojones, so get back to nature, get back to basics. This hurts me more than it hurts you. Get away from all the noise! Get away from all the shit! Enjoy the moments! Let go of the noise! Let go of your anger! It's not so bad now, is it? The problem is no problem! There's nothing you can't handle! When you just chop away, oh, you shit! Making your own fire. You know, making stuff, that's liberating. You really get it all out. Life isn't that complicated, really. It's all about lighting the fire and getting rid of the bad. It's so corny, but I just love looking into the fire, you know? Letting go of all this shit, you know? You feel so good inside. So go for a walk in the forest. Forget about all the stupidity around you. Feels better, baby. Feels better.